Yep.
Hey guys, I'm Stetson,
I'm Walker.
and this is Fact or Fiction. Today we're going to be going over ferrofluid. Now, Walker, what's ferrofluid?
Ferrofluid is an interesting substance. Ferrofluid is magnetic liquid.
So, how are we going to make this happen?
So we are going to prove whether or not it's possible to make ferrofluid with acetone, olive oil, and old cassette tapes.
Now, it sounds pretty dangerous, and unlike our last experiment, there's really no concern for a fire, but you're probably going to want to take some pretty strong safety concerns. I mean, you want some goggles, some rubber gloves, might want to double up on those, maybe like a lab coat, maybe like kind of a
there's
shield
literally
like in front of...
none of those dangers here. We're going to be perfectly fine. Acetone can be a little irritating, so I mean, you don't want to get too much of it on your skin, but there's literally none of those dangers today.
I mean, if we want some irritating, we can just get one of our wives back out here. In this experiment, if you want to do it at home, it's a great experiment. It's really inexpensive. If you go to your local thrift store, you get a bunch of cassette tapes, or some magnets off a line, or even I think you can even get them at you
can get them on Amazon.
Yeah. So anyway, and I think the only other thing we're using is olive oil and then the acetone, right? So
total of like $15-20. Easy to do.
So stay tuned. We'll show you the steps, and here we go.
So first, you're going to take a hammer and you're going to break up a bunch of cassette tapes, and you're going to take the tapes and unroll them and put them in a chemical-resistant container. After that, you're going to add acetone to said container, stir it up a little bit, and let the cassette tape sit in the acetone for over an hour. After that, the ferric oxide is going to dissolve off the cassette tapes into what you see now. After that, just dump out the acetone and let it dry. Alright, first Stetson, grab the ferric oxide. Wrong ferric oxide. No. Alright.
That one?
Yeah. Okay.
How much? Sponge? All of it?
Put all the ferric oxide into the mortar and pestle. Pop quiz, what's it called in Spanish? Fail, molcajete. Alright, you got it in there?
Got it.
Grab the mortar and pestle and crush it into small bits. Oh, come on, dude. What are you doing? What are you doing to me? We want lots of what are called microparticles. Now you see, the microparticles of the ferric oxide combine with the oil to form what's called a ligand, and that way the microparticles of the ferric oxide are, so as to speak, they're kind of attached to the liquid, so that when you place a magnet against the liquid, the magnet itself acts as a the liquid itself acts as a magnetic material because the ferric oxide is inside the liquid, it's part of the liquid. We got lots of microparticles in there now. Now put in the vegetable oil. This part's important. You want to use vegetable oil because any other oil won't give you as good of a combination.
Do you want it right in the...
Yeah, just right in the molcajete there. Come on. Let's do this. All right, pour it in. Not too much. Not like that. Stop. Okay, continue. Go. Yeah, you're good. I'm kidding. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to make you shake. There you go. Perfect. Give it a nice stir. How's it looking?
Gross.
Well, I mean, what'd you expect? All right, you got a nice mixture there. The ferric oxide is nice and mixed with the vegetable oil. Now, let's do a little experiment. Ready for this? Let's experiment a little bit. Put the ferrofluid into the Tupperware container, please. Once again, sweetheart, I am sorry for ruining your Tupperware. It is in the name of science. Show the good folks what happens when you place a magnet next to ferrofluid. Huh? Look at that. Isn't that not amazing? That right there is science.
So, when it comes to ferrofluid, did it work?
It totally worked, man. And it was as simple as some ferric oxide, some vegetable oil. Really only cost us about like $20 total.
Yeah, not a bad experiment at all. So thanks again, guys, for watching our videos. If you haven't yet, you can subscribe up here. You can watch a link or click this link to our previous video here, Coke and Mentos Rocket Boots, total failure. And yeah, that's it for this week. I only drank a little bit and still survived.